$3,000. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I don't need a tri-foldable phone. $3,000 for a tri-foldable phone, guys. Huawei Mate XT is $3,000. I feel like once you say the price tag, you automatically get rid of a lot of potential buyers, right? You automatically just get a lot of people to back off and say, yup, not doing that, buddy. $3,000 for this bad boy. Now, it is still good looking. Don't get me wrong. It's a tri-foldable cell phone. And yes, it's the world's first tri-foldable cell phone. And whenever technology is a first, it's always going to be stupid expensive. Remember when the first 4K monitor came out? Yep. First 8K monitor? Yep. Price tags went wild. And that's just what you expect. The world's thinnest 3.6-inch foldable screen mobile phone. I mean, again, yeah, it looks beautiful. It really does. It looks amazing. Like, on paper, if you had all the money in the world, 100% this could be a really great device. 16 gigabytes of RAM, 3 different storage options, 2 different color variants. It's just that $3,000 price tag really, really kicks me in the chops, as it would say. It's weird, I will say. So it's like a long version of a tablet. I guess that's how tablets are. So it's a full-on tablet. That, like, I know we make the joke with the Pixel Fold or the Z Fold 6 that these are tablet phones. This is physically a tablet. So you're buying a tablet. Now, you don't know the durability or how long it's going to last, if there's any problems, setbacks, issues, whatever. It's a first-gen product. And whenever a first-gen product happens, you really are kind of up S's Creek without a paddle here. Because anything could happen. You could go into it and it could be amazing, perfect in every way possible. Or it could just be an absolute flop and be awful. It really is a pretty much your best guess type scenario. So overall wise, it's cool. It is cool. Don't get me wrong. I don't know if I agree with the price tag being $3,000 as cool. I think that might be a tad bit on the too high, but again, I don't know how much it costs for them to make this product. Maybe they're not making much, profit at all. Maybe their, profit margin is very small. We don't know. I mean, I think everyone thought that the Z Fold series didn't cost that much to make, and then we found out a couple years ago, it's actually not much that Samsung's making off those phones. It's a lot better now because they found with Z Fold 6, they found different partners that lets them manufacture it for cheaper. But like Z Fold 4, they weren't making that much money. And Z Fold 3, heck no. So that's kind of just how it is. Yeah, no, like I said before, it's a beautiful device. It really is. I love that they're pushing the envelope. They're pushing technology forward. And they're giving us an ability to, have the future in our hands. I just don't know if the future is this for right now. Maybe in the future, but for $3,000, I think the average consumer / average person is going to say, wow, I thought $1,800 was very expensive. And yeah. It is what it is. Hopefully, we eventually get these phones for cheaper. But, hey, I mean, they're beautiful. They are beautiful. So how would you do it? Okay, hold up. So, obviously, this like this, okay? How would you utilize this in a car? Like, as, like, you know how mostly everyone who has foldable phones, they like to go ahead and prop up or mount up their foldable phone in their car to use as a GPS system. Kind of like a little tablet screen, in theory, like a Tesla. I don't know how this would work when it comes to, when it comes to car mounting. I feel like it would be very difficult with the size of it. I guess you could do vertical. It would be, I guess it would be the same as an iPad. Never mind. It's gonna be the same as an iPad. It would just be like mounting an iPad in your car. I just answered my own question. Again, like I said, it is beautiful. It really is. But it's just, wow. $3,000. It just automatically turns you off of the product. It's amazing. I think I saw this before, but no matter what the product is, you could have the best product of all time, right? Crazy great product, amazing, just outside of this world product. But if the price tag is wrong, you are going to turn off every single consumer base you could have. If your price tag is outrageous and crazy, nobody's going to buy your product. Even if it's the best product of all time. Even if it's revolutionary. Perfect. The price tag matters more than anything. And yeah, this price tag is absolutely to the next degree, I'll say. Tell me down below your thoughts, opinions, though, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.